students. In this session, I'm going to discuss haloalkanes and haloarenes. A short revision I am doing. Okay, where student is more confusing, and the next part is which is most important towards competitive examination, NEET and mains. If while explanation itself I will cover mains and NEET questions, after taking short revision, definitely you will get idea how to solve the question. Clear students? Now I am going to start haloalkanes, haloarenes from starting. So briefly I will explain afterwards after completed this chapter. So the important points all I will explain. Later I am going to do previous year questions. 4 to 5 years. 4 5 years questions I have collected. So all previous year questions also we can work out. So first let me start with haloalkanes, haloarenes introduction part. Just a single point I am writing here. Haloalkanes and haloarenes. This is the first chapter in second year, right? So first introduction part. Introduction part, what we have to focus, where they're asking questions, where student is confusing. So haloalkenes are monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives. Okay, monohalogen is nothing but single halogen. Only single halogen we call it as monohalogen derivatives. Okay, example. If you will take example like Rx, this R can be methyl group, ethyl group like this. Okay, so in halogen, one hydrogen in alkenes, one hydrogen is replaced by halogen. That is the molecular formula of. So what is this? Haloalkene, CnH2n plus 2. So here you can replace one hydrogen by halogen. That's it. This is your formula H2n plus 1x. Clear students? If n equal to this is CH3x, C2H5x like this. If n equal to 1, then CH like this. We can replace one hydrogen by one halogen. This is the general molecular formula. This is the starting introduction part enough. Next, most of the students are confusing some starting points, vicinal dihalides, geminal dihalides, benzyl, aryl, vinyl, allyl, like this. Okay, let me list out first. First one is vicinal. Vicinal is nothing but dihalogen, means two halogens, dihalogen derivatives. The two adjacent carbon like this. Adjacent carbon having two halogens. Adjacent carbon having two halogens. Now, next one, geminal. Geminal also dihalogen derivative only. Let me write first example. What is the student? IUPAC means also they'll ask. While doing previous year questions, I'll cover questioning and all. First, I'll give you introduction part and some questions explanation, concept explanation. So this is X. This is what? Okay. Hydrogen, 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 like this. Okay, there are bonds is nothing but hydrogen for me. See, here also two halogens, dihalogen derivative, but same carbon having halogens. Same carbon having. This is what we call it as same carbon having halogens. This is what we call it as geminal dihalides. Geminal dihalides. This is vicinal dihalides, right students? Vicinal dihalides. Clear? Now, next one, Geminal, most of the students they're confusing during exam. That's why you can remember twins baby. So same day they will born, means same carbon having halogens. Better to remember like this. Okay, so that is your wish. Um, Next important is benzyl, allyl, vinyl, like this. Okay, first let me write benzyl. This is exactly benzyl group, students. Benzene group, and next one additional CH2 group. Then we call it as benzyl halide. Okay, now next one. What is the next one? Allyl. Here most of the students confusing allyl. Okay, here just you have to remember propene. What is the propene? One, two, three carbons, right? So this is propene. Propene means definitely end, either this end or this end. This is propene structure. Okay, skeleton. Remaining you have to fill with hydrogen, this carbon. Yes, this carbon, this is allylic position. This is allylic position. Allylic position. Allylic position is nothing but sp2 carbon adjacent adjacent sp3 carbon. Adjacent sp3 carbon halogen having halogen, that is we call it as allylic halide. Allyl halide. Clear, students? Now look into this. If you write here X, that's it. So from here you can expect the questions also, how they are asking. Suppose allyl bromide. Allyl bromide. I am giving question. Allyl bromide IUPAC name. IUPAC name. Question 1. So can you tell what is this? Instead of X you can write Br. That's it. So this is your answer. See, 1, 2, 3. So see, this is the priority group, double bond. So then bromine. Then this is what? 3 bromo propane. Don't write to 1 bromo. 3 bromo propane. Dear students, this is allyl. Next category is aryl. Yes. This is what? Aryl. Okay. Aryl. Aryl. So or this is group exactly we call it as this is aryl or phenyl. Aryl or phenyl. Both are same. Okay. So aryl halide. So like examples, chlorobenzene. Your reactivity plays important role. Chlorobenzene, reactivity less, reactivity less due to, what is this? Three factors, due to resonance and due to sp2 hybridization. I'll explain in coming classes. Reactivity less. Next one, another one, vinyl. Vicinal different, vinyl different, aryl different, allyl different. See, so vinyl is nothing but just you can remember one simple example, that is ethene. That's it, students. Instead of one hydrogen, you put halogen. That's it. This is vinyl halide. Vinyl halide. Here also question. Immediately I'll ask question. What is that? Vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. IUPAC name. Or write the structure. They'll ask. Its reactivity is very less, students. CH2 double bond, CHCl. That's it. 1, 2. 1 chloro, ethene. This is the IUPAC name. That's all, students. If you people concentrate this introduction part, this points, no, next to stability order and carbocations time, many times we are discussing this one, allyl, vinyl, aryl, phenyl. So many, this topic. If you don't have basics, Organic chemistry definitely feels very difficult, but organic chemistry very easily we can score marks. And I am giving one more point here, students. Already I have uploaded videos. Mark and cuff rule, so writing. So in this chapter, we are going to deal so many questions. Who are having good command in the first year, second year, first chapter, definitely they will enjoy organic chemistry more. So we are seeing more questions, and that is backbone of organic chemistry first chapter. Here, who is having introduction part good command? I'm writing where we have to concentrate. Introduction part. Second part is M's rule, Markovnikov rule. And the next one, Page's rule. Page's rule. And next, another point. Fourth one, what I'm trying to say here, Hoffman's rule. Hoffman rule. And next one, fifth one, rearrangement reactions. When rearrangement reactions possible. So why rearranging? So these 5 topics, if you have command, definitely you will get very good marks in competitive and whatever you are facing exam. Rearrangement reactions, and next one, OP directors. OP directors. Recently, I have uploaded OP directors, meta directors, all videos, meta directors. And the next one, if two are OP directors, for which one we have to give priority? If two meta directors, which one we have to give priority? Which is more activator, which is less activator? That videos also I have uploaded. And reagents. And next, one more point I am telling students who are neglected little organic chemistry when they are in first year. So neglected is nothing but because of certain reason. Maybe you forgot also, confused also. So now this is the right time. Go through the points once again, and important reagents also first year I have uploaded. At least you can see that you'll get idea. Wood's reaction, what is this next one, what is this alkynes chapter, especially alkynes chapter plays important role for sequence questions also. Organic chemistry is the one of the beautiful chemistry. Here, first year to second year, they will connect questions. Whereas physical chemistry also, they will connect questions, maybe 1 or 2 chapters, it's possible. But organic chemistry, first year, first chapter to second year, last chapter, up to there, they will connect the questions. If you miss in between, if you miss starting, if you missed end also, entire organic chemistry, you feel difficult. To avoid this, so I am doing the concept explanation also, students. Afterwards, immediately I can upload previous year questions also. Okay, these are all already I have uploaded. Now, just now completed. Markovnikov rule, Page's rule, Hoffman's rule, rearrangement reactions, OP directors, meta directors, reagents, first year reagents, all I covered. So go through all the videos, definitely you'll get benefit. Now, next, here I am going to start methods of preparation. In methods of preparation, where we have to concentrate, how easily we can study with less time. So I am going to give some idea. Students, first preparation from alcohol. From alcohol. How to prepare from alcohols, alkyl halides. Alcohols, what is the general molecular formula? ROH plus, what is this reagent? HX I am taking. So now you will get, see, very simple. This is removing water. Removing water. This is the byproduct. What is the main product? RX. RX. So this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. This X can be, X is nucleophile. What is X here? X equal to ClBrI. Fluorine also there. Generally, we are not taking fluorine violent reactions. Clear, students? Now, here chlorine, Cl minus. This is nucleophile. This is nucleophile. Nucleophile means electron rich species. Electron rich species. Okay, so this is also, he is going, and very important point, listen, ROH, this R is alkyl group. Alkyl group. Where people are confusing, I am stressing the point. Alkyl group. This is the methyl group, students. Next to ethyl group, like this. Alkyl group. Okay, next important point is this bond. This bond belongs to both R and OH. Okay, here OH is going like this. OH is going like this. Means electron pair he is taking and going. Taking electrons means what is this? OH minus, right? So this OH minus is replaced by this Cl minus. This is nucleophile. This is also nucleophile. Where a negative charge, definitely electron rich. All electron rich species are nucleophile. Clear? That's it. So this nucleophile is replaced by this nucleophile. That is why these are all reactions, we call it as nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Is it clear? Okay. Now I am going to start preparation. Get ready. First one. Yes. ROH. This ROH I have taken, no? ROH, students, here. See, here ROH. What is this reagent I have taken? HX, right? HX. Now, this is what? Replacing these two, finally you will get here Rx and water. This is general reaction. This is general reaction. But from this, how they are asking questions, look into this. Okay, here reactivity order. Here itself I will cover all the questions. Reactivity order. I said concept explanation itself I will cover the questions. ROH, reactivity order. What is the reactivity order? 3 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree. 3-degree alcohols. 3-degree alcohols, if you have taken like 3-degree alcohol. 3-degree alcohol is nothing but, see, like this. Means this alcohol group is attached to 3-degree carbon. What is 3-degree carbon? It is attached to 3 carbons. Attached to 3 carbons. Is it clear? So if it is attached to 3 carbons, 3 degree. 2 degree means 2 carbons. 1 degree means 1 carbon. That's it. So this is more reactive. Why it is more reactive? Also we have a proof. I'll explain. SN1, SN2 reactions explanation time I will give you. So here briefly I am telling, this OH is going, no, I said no, here this bond along with the OH is going, along with electron pair going. After that you will get positive charge. After that you will get positive charge. Okay, see. Positive charge. This positive charge is generally unstable. Why? Because carbocation is intermediate. Wherever reaction intermediates is there, reactivity is very high. The lifetime is very less. But even though it is existing sometime, because why? Stable. Stable. Why it is stable? Because here plus I group, like this, like this. This is plus I group, this is plus I group, this is also plus I group. 3 plus I groups, electron releasing groups. He does, simple logic, students, understand. He doesn't have electrons, but who is giving electrons? Somebody is giving electrons. He is the poor guy, but 3 rich guys are there. So it is balancing, like that you can. Okay, now next one. What is the next one? Yes, if you look into 2 degree, next that is the 2 degree stability order. CH3, CHOH. See here also this is 2 degree alcohol. Why? Because this is alcohol attached to 2 degree carbon. 2 degree carbon is nothing but 2 carbons. That's it. Next, the least reactive guy is primary alcohol. This is the least reactive. Okay. Among alcohols, he is the least reactive. So now that's all. Now about this guy also we can spend time. HX. HX. Here HI more, and in previous P block elements time also I have uploaded one video. HI is the strong acid. Strong acid gives weak bases. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. HA is a strong acid, no? After losing hydrogen, he will give I minus. I minus is good nucleophile. Let me complete this one. HBr, HCl, HF. Okay, HF generally we are avoiding the reactions because violent. I minus, after losing hydrogen, this is the part. If this is one of the common questions, students, they'll give questions like this. What is this? Suppose uh, CH2I and something benzyl iodide and benzyl chloride. Both are benzyl halides, which is more reactive means generally iodides. Why iodides are good nucleophiles. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. Strong acid gives weak bases. Weak bases are good nucleophiles. Iodide means that is blindly we can go for the answer. Clear? But here we have to add polar protic solvents, polar aprotic solvents. Whenever SN1, SN2 is there, that I will explain what is SN1, what is polar protic solvents and polar aprotic solvents. Is it clear, students? So here itself I covered more questions, basic questions all. Alcohol's reactivity order plays important role. So why it is more reactive also they will ask. So after losing OH group, it is stabilized by plus side group, electron releasing group, inductive effect. Okay, next this is reactivity order. Why I minus is good nucleophile? I minus it came from strong acid. So this introduction, this part I had explained, P block element, 17th group elements. If you want, once you can watch the video. So now next one. See students. CH3, CH2, OH plus plus HCl. See, this is primary alcohol, that is what is actually ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is less reactive, even HCl also less reactive, right? Both are less reactive. Reaction is not feasible. Reaction, it will not move. Maybe it is feasible, but it will not move faster. But how to increase the fastness? Definitely, we know catalyst. Anhydrous ZnCl2. It has a vacant orbital. It acts as catalyst. It has two actions. One is acts as catalyst and it acts as Lewis acid also. So it will give finally so reaction. What is the product? This is a nucleophile. This is electrophile like action will start. So mechanism no need. It takes lot of time. Just write the reactions. That's all. Within minute you will get answer. But this combination, concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, this combination we call it as 1:1 ratio of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 called Lucas reagent. What is that, students? Lucas reagent. Okay, clear. So Lucas reagent. With this, I'll complete this video. Next, immediately I can upload another video also. Preparations all I will give in that video because it will be lengthy now. So that's the reason more than 20 minutes it is. That's why after this point I'm going to close. 1:1 ratio of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. See students, this 3-degree alcohol with Lr, Lucas reagent. So what is this? I'll explain one part here, students. Listen. CH3, CH3OH. So what is Lucas reagent? HCl. Actually, if you are not using anhydrous ZnCl2 also, reaction will occur fast. Reaction will go faster. Why? Because he is more reactive, right? So immediately losing higher OH minus. Why it is losing? It gets positive charge, unstable state, even though is losing fast. Why? Because somebody will help, somebody support us, some supporting people are there. They're giving electrons to this gun. That's why you can go, I will be happy. You can go also, for me, no problem, like that feeling. So that's it. That's it. So now you will get product. What is this? CH3, CH3, CH3. This is what? Cl. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. I said no. Cl is replaced by OH group. That's it. Now this is tertiary butyl alcohol. tertiary butyl alcohol. So here tertiary butyl and isopropyl also some confusions is there. Monochlorination time I will tell you. So this is what tertiary butyl chloride. Okay, tertiary butyl chloride and water both are immiscible. Both are immiscible. So immediately form turbidity. Turbidity is nothing but kerosene in water. Kerosene in water. How it is? It is not miscible. No, immiscible layers it forms. No, that is we call it as turbidity. Turbidity. So this turbidity forms immediate turbidity. Immediate turbidity. After the directly I am writing reaction, students. Okay, what is the secondary alcohol? Yes, tell me. Secondary alcohol. Yes. Secondary alcohol with LR, Lucas reagent. What you will get? After 5 minutes turbidity. After 5 minutes, after 5 minutes turbidity. Okay, you write reaction, try to write this reaction. And then primary I showed above case, LR. Then what happened? No turbidity at room temperature. At room temperature. Here students, if you start boiling, turbidity slowly it forms. That's why generally no turbidity, we are saying no turbidity at room temperature. If you increase the temperature, slowly it turns into turbidity. So with this main points, some I have completed students. The next video and HBr reactions, HA reactions, all we will discuss PCl3, PCl5, thionide chloride, all this. Okay students, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel students. We will get more useful videos coming days.